Double Tap Now Live on Apple Watch. Learn how to customize this gesture in watchOS 10.1. Double Tap, a standout feature in Apple's latest Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2, is designed to simplify smartwatch use in various scenarios. This gesture allows you to interact with your watch when your hands are busy. Additionally, it's a valuable accessibility feature for users with limited hand mobility. While customization options are currently limited, here's how to tailor Double Tap to your preferences. Update to watchOS 10.1. Ensure your Apple Watch is running the latest software, watchOS 10.1, released on October 25. Update your paired iPhone to iOS 17.1 first by going to Settings, then General, then Software Update. After updating your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app and navigate to General, then Software Update. Tap Install and ensure your watch has at least 50% battery to complete the installation. How to customize Double Tap. Open the Apple Watch app on your paired iPhone, select Gestures, then Double Tap and choose between the following options. Playback. Modify how Double Tap interacts with audio playback. Play/pause or skip to the next track. Smart Stack. Control how Double Tap navigates through widgets, advancing to the next or selecting the first. Using Double Tap. Double Tap offers several functions, including audio playback, control music playback or skip tracks. Phone calls, answer or end calls. Notifications, take actions on alerts, including third-party apps. Smart Stack, easily navigate widgets, view and reply to messages, read and respond to texts. Longer notifications, scroll through extended messages. Alarm, stopwatch, timers, manage alarms, timers, and stopwatch functions. Remote shutter, use your Apple Watch as a remote camera shutter. Workout, start or stop automatic workout reminders. A blue hand icon appears when Double Tap is active. It signals compatibility with various features and indicates when it's not supported. How to disable Double Tap. If needed, you can disable Double Tap via Settings, then Gestures, then Double Tap on your paired iPhone and re-enable it later.